This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, good morning. Uh,
Morning.
Give me a minute. Right. Right. So during the last class, I just have gone like what is Android, or during our course, what are all we are going to be uh, discuss those things we have gone through. Okay. Next, this is for a small topic like how you are going to be set up Android, like what are all the things required for us, and uh, how you are going to be download this Android uh, from website. Those are all we are going to be discuss. Okay. See, first, if you would like to set up Android, so first you need to download Android Studio IDE. So as I already told you, like we have developer.android.com website. From there, automatically you will find Android Studio IDE. Right? If you come here, so directly this is. The main reason behind this Android Studio is uh, since from Lollipop operating system onwards, Lollipop is a version of Android operating system. From that onwards, we got material design advanced concept. So because of that advanced concept libraries, only Android Studio is supporting to develop Android application development. That is only the reason. So no other IDEs are available in the market to support Android application development. So you must download Android Studio. So if you click on Android Studio, it will try to download .exe file, which is approximately 900 MB. Okay. Along with this, so you need to set up Java. So I hope you know like Java is available with JDK as well as JRE, right? So JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit, and JRE. See, for downloading JDK, we have to go to Oracle website. So because Oracle have undertaken all the uh, uh, sub microsystems one. See, here you will find Java SC Development Kit. From here you can download JDK. So if you are these are all Linux based operating systems. Here what it is showing. So here you have the Windows 64-bit. So if your PC is 64-bit, you can start downloading this JDK. Okay, and Java SC Development Kit. Uh, sorry. JRE. So it was separated actually. Earlier it is not like that. It is combinedly coming, but later it was given differently. So that's the reason I have copy pasted to URL separately. So from here again, JRE is separate. Okay, when you start downloading JDK JRE, so you will get extracted one. Let me show you that. I hope these are all you know already. So in the C drive, if you are using 64-bit, you will get program files Java folder. Or else, if you are using 32-bit, so you will get a Java folder here in the program files into 86. Most of you guys have nowadays 64-bit only, so you will get program files only. In that you will find Java JDK. After extraction, you will get this kind of files for Java JDK as well as JRE. So I got these things. In the JDK also, you will find bin folder. So same like in the JRE also, you will find bin folder. This one. So this JDK JRE two paths you have to set up. Where you have to set up? See, I'm going to be my computer. Right click properties. Now what I'm doing? I'm setting Java environment. Okay. So Java environment where I have to set up inside the environment variables. So where the environment variables available for us is right click on my computer option properties. You will find a different window which is security system and security system. So here advanced system settings option is available. Select this advanced system settings. So here system properties window will be coming for you. So here advanced advanced tab is available. In the advanced tab again environment variable. Again come back here advanced system setting. In that automatically you will navigate to advanced tab environment variables. Come down here. See in the environment variables you have two things user variables, system variables. It is better to configure always in the user variable because if you would like to uninstall directly you can remove this. Okay, so if you would like to add another one also, here you will get classification. That's the reason. Okay, first I would like to set up Java. I would like to set up Java. That's the reason what I am doing. I am opening JDK folder. So in the JDK folder, I am again opening the bin folder. Just to directly copy paste this value, whatever you have to copy this directly. Okay. So go to the environment variables. Here, click on new. See for JDK, you have to give variable name as path because when you click on new environment variable in the user variables, even here also you will get same option. You will get it will ask you what is the variable name and what is the variable value. So for JDK, what you have to give path value you have to give and variable value whatever the one I copied. Okay, that I have to give. What is that value I have given? Program files Java JDK bin. The path I have given. See, which is already I have given same. I am editing this program files JDK bin. Done. Similarly, I am done with the JDK. Now what I have to do for JRE I have to do. Again, enter the JRE folder, open the bin folder and copy this one. Okay, so again I have to do one more thing. What is the one more one? It is a class path. So why it is class path? Because see, when you are executing a .java file, first it will go to JDK. After that it will convert the .java file into a .class file. So that's the reason this variable name value what we have to give class path. And what is the variable value here? So C program files Java JRE bin. After that give some semicolon. So it is mandatory to give some semicolon. After that click on OK. So this one. Okay, this one is there for us. Same value JRE bin. Along with this, see, for Android Studio purpose, up to JDK only. Java JDK. Don't open any bin folder or any other folder. Copy this JDK folder path. Come down here. Give like in the uppercase. What is the variable name? It is Java underscore home. And what is the value? JDK 1.8. So what is this actually? Why I have to uh, mm, give that variable value? Java underscore home, because if I would like to open Android Studio, when you are opening Android Studio, it must require Java path. Okay, so that's the reason my Java home is available in the below path. Then only your Android Studio will be opened. So these three things are mandatory. What are all these things? Path, class path, Java underscore home. Okay, these three things are mandatory for us. Okay, just click on OK and then done. Okay, this is done. A small thing like we are going to be set up the Java as well as three environment variables which are related to JDK JRE along with that Android Studio, which is Java underscore home, what I told. Okay, next you will have Android Studio setup. I told you, you have to download Android Studio from where? You have to download Android Studio from the Android developers website. So I told you 900 exe file, 900 MB exe file will be loaded. So when after downloading successfully that exe file, you have to double tap on that. Okay, so you have to double tap. One second. Somewhere I kept this. So you'll get like this. One .exe file after successfully downloading the uh, 900 MB Android Studio. So double tap on this. When you double tap, it will start downloading another components. What are the other components? See, already Studio we downloaded. It will start installing Android SDK as well as Android AVD. So this we discussed. Android SDK in the sense Android Software Development Kit. Okay, and what is this AVD? Android virtual device. So what is this SDK and AVD? See, using this SDK only we are going to be compute our applications. Next, what is this virtual device? Android virtual device. Whenever you have created one application, that you have to compile and execute. So after that, it is going to be display some output for you. So that output you are able to see in the AVD. So one question here: is it mandatory to download AVD or any other things are available for us? Android SDK is mandatory, but AVD is not mandatory. If you have particular developer mobile or normal your mobile also, you can connect your mobile through USB. Okay, so that ADB will be connected to Android Studio. I hope you know ADB, right? When you try to connect your mobile to your PC to download some songs or to copy paste something, it will ask for ADB drivers. So similarly, if ADB drivers are available, automatically that your mobile will be displayed in the Android Studio. So directly you can choose your mobile and then run your application. So I don't like that. Still, I have an option which is for AVD. Okay, this is this is a small introduction about the Android environment setup. Okay, so try to download and try to configure these Java as well as Android Studio environment setup. Okay, but after that, I would like to introduce one more important things here. One second, give me a minute. It's got stuck here. One important update I forgot to tell you. If your laptop, what is your laptop configuration required for Java? I mean Android Studio. So for Android Studio, it is mandatory. You have to give 8 GB RAM. So 8 GB RAM is mandatory to run and execute your application. Okay. one more important concept I will discuss. This is one more important one which I have to discuss. So, what are the versions are available in our Android? So, in the last class, we have gone through the names only. I told you Astro, Bender, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, like this. But here I would like to introduce some more advantages like API. So, API. What is this API? API in the sense application programming interface. Sorry, programming interface. So, what it is exactly? Okay, let me show you. Whenever Android system is releasing, they keep on releasing a number of versions. Whenever they are releasing, like they are providing some version names for us. They are providing version names. Here, some table is available. Code name, version, API level, NDK. Okay. So this also you will get from developer.android.com only. See here, I told you here the first version they released in the year 2005. I told you the name is either you can call it as Astro or Alpha. That they didn't write no code name they are giving. So that is version one. Okay. See here it is version one. Or else let me do one thing to avoid this one. Avoid confusion. What I will do. Code name version. One second, let me align properly. So this is very very important. As a developer, you must remember all these things. Let me. Still, I have to give some more gap. And I'm using 4 GB RAM, uh, so that's the reason it is taking some time because of the Chrome. I have to run with multiple stuff. Second, just a minute. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? Okay. So here, the first version, oh, the first version name what I have given Astro or Bender. Sorry, Astro or Alpha. You can call with any name. So this is the one. Just I am aligning for best understanding. Just a second, please. so that you will get understand very neatly. Talent proper. So there I have to make scroll. You may get some confusion. That's the reason I have copy pasted. See here from bottom you will come. See the first version name what I told Astro or Bender. You can directly write no problem because it's official name. So Astro or Alpha. Two things. Okay, second version name. You can call Bender or Beta. Both are same. Beta. Okay. So Astro version, what is the version they have given? 1.0 and its API level, application programming interface level is 1. Next you got Bender. So what is the Bender version is 1.1, upgraded version of Alpha or Astro. So they have given version number as 1.1 and its API level is 2. Okay, so the numbering is okay for me, but what are all I will get in the API? So let me show you what are all you will get when you have this API level. Okay, how we are going to be deal that one with the API level. Okay, after explanation, I will go to that. So 1.0, 1.1, and next Cupcake directly went to 1.5 with API level 3. And what is this NDK? We have discussed about SDK, but what is NDK? NDK in the sense Native Development Kit. So native development kit is for C++ developers. Like Android contains some external hardware, like some sensors you need to add extra, some cameras you need to add extra. Okay, so for the purpose they have provided NDK, which is for which is related to hardware development. Okay, so NDK is not related to us. Only SDK is related to us. Even they have provided NDK, and see now NDK 8 was released at Ice Cream Sandwich. After that, no NDK release was available. Okay, because that's the last they have given. After that, they are not allowing mobile vendor to make many more changes in their mobiles. Just they have to integrate what are all the operating system features are available, those kind of things only. They are enhancing the features, but they are not allowing to add extra hardware components into mobile. That's the one. Okay, see this now. Astro is there. Uh, Donut with donut, what is the version number? 1.6 and its API level is 4. And after that Eclair was released thrice. Okay, 2.0, 2.0.1, 2.1. So its API levels are 5, 6, 7. Okay, with NDK version 3. After that, see, Froyo released only one time, 2.2.x, API level 8, and Gingerbread comes twice. Two times it was released with the numbers as 2.3, 2.3.2, 2.3.3, 2.3.7, API level 9 and 10. Honeycomb again 3 times. Okay, here 3.0 to 3.2.x. Ice cream sandwich is 2 times. Okay, like this. Just for your understanding, I am telling. So here it is not important to remind all these things because nobody is interested what is previous. Okay, so 4.1 to 4.3. After that, KitKat only one time. 4.4. Okay, Lollipop is 2 times. From here, material design is introduced with API level 21 and 22. So this number you have to remember. So from here you have to remember. Later I will tell you why it is required. So from Lollipop onwards, 21, 22, and Marshmallow 6.0 API level 23, Nougat 25, 26 with version number as 7.0, 7.1. Oreo is 8.0 now. Pi 9. So this is the latest operating system trending in the market, and 10, 11 developers versions are released, which is related to Q. Okay, after Pi release, this level 10 and 11 are developer versions. Still, Android developers in the Google company, they are still testing the Android SDK. Once it is done, they will reveal the Q version name. what is the Q version name, and that they are going to be released into the market. So temporary name they have given it as Android 10.11. That means two versions they have given. What is the API level they are providing for us now? 29.30. Okay, 29.30. Very soon you will get to know what is the Q version name. Okay, so this is the version name, and what is this API level? Actually, where what is this application programming interface which is best useful for me? So where I can use this? Again, I have to go back to developers website, or else see here directly 10 release 9 release notes in the Android version 9. What is the version 9 here? Come down. What is the version 9? Pi, right? Its API level is 28. In the Pi, what are the new releases are available? See here, they have implemented with generic system image. So what is this generic system image? So generic system image is a system image. That means system image in the sense it's a virtual device. Okay, it's a virtual device with adjusted configuration for Android devices. Okay, generic system image, if you would like to learn, you can click on this. Includes details on differences between GSIs and devices launching with Android 9. That means what are all the existing virtual devices and what is the generic system image that they are going to be provided. And see architecture they have uh, implemented. Uh, Android architecture, hardware abstraction layer, HAL. In the HAL, this is Android architecture. We are going to be discuss about that in the during our session, and HIDL architecture level implementations they have given. Device tree overlays, like these are all documents you will get. These are all documents you will find in the website. So what is website vendor interface object? Like new vendor, like who are the vendors for us is mobile vendors. In the mobile vendors, they can also make some changes in their operating system. So with the manifest FCM lifecycle, device manifest development, so they have given bootloader, all these things, new implementations they have given. Okay, these many new features they have integrated into our thing. So but how I am going to be write all these new things in our application? Very simple, don't worry. I'm going to source. One second. Just a minute please. See here, they are allowing to download the Android Studio. Below that you are finding sample code. Are you able to see this? The sample code you are able to see. This sample code is nothing but your API, application programming interface. Okay, let me click on see the samples. So many screens are available, so many pages. Okay, here you are getting technology, Android Auto or Android. See these many for Android TV what, Firebase what, Google Cast what, Google Mobile Ads what, Google Play Building Library. These many features you are able to integrate. So currently we are discussing about Android only. So that is Android. Language is C, C++, Java or Kotlin. Okay. If you would like to reset that, you can reset. Now here one example is there. Fragment transaction, recycler view to view pager. One sample. Let me show you what is API to you. This is one API. I'm clicking on this. Recycler view is a view for us which holds in the shopping cart applications. I hope you are all installed with the Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra. So many shopping cart websites are available, right? So in the shopping cart website, all the items will be displayed horizontal, vertical scroll. That is a recycler view. So for the recycler view, you have the code. See here, this is you're able to swipe that. what is demonstrating? Try to understand this. All the items are aligned in a grid manner. Okay, when you click on that, it is coming out and it is displaying in zoom format. Okay, that is okay. So how it was developed? The entire code is available here. The entire code is available. This is the direct project sample. So in this, which folder you have to open? App folder, source folder. Okay, in the source folder, main folder. Once I started teaching all the stuff, what is the Android project directory, you will get to know. So this is your main activity. See, line by line, each and every code with comment. See, each and every line with code and comment, that sample is available. That is the advantage of Android. So Android is a huge library for you. For any requirement, you will get a solution. You will get a solution in the developer website or else Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is like worldwide developers will communicate through Stack Overflow only. You can simply open Stack Overflow, register yourself, and what is your query in the Android, just to post it. You will get n number of options from the worldwide developers. Okay, so that is the beauty of Android. So for any kind of requirement, you will get a solution. Okay, so here so many things are available: Bluetooth advertisements, Bluetooth GLAT, autofill framework, commit content, picture in picture, discrete, app shortcut, how to create app shortcut. Okay, so like this, how many samples are over there? So whatever we are going to be designing the Android applications, all the things are available here, but you must understand what they have written here. So that's the reason we are learning Android codes. See, directly recycler view project is available. Okay, let me close this. I'll show you recycler view example in Java, example in Kotlin. We'll try to understand. So the code how they have given. Okay, here application folder is there. Go to application folder, source main. In this Java folder I am going, common recycler view main activity. I have opened main activity. Same way you have app folder. Okay, source main folders, folder structure is same. Okay, but here just flower details, flower data. Here they have given activity. We have to fetch. See here, please understand this line. Class add flower activity colon app compat activity. In the Java, how it was written? Class main activity extends sample activity, app compat activity. Here extends, how they are notating? Colon. So here extends means what for us? Extends is a interface. That means it's a parent class. We are it's an inheritance for us. Parent class we are invoking into child class. So if you have so many parent classes, then what you will do after extends? You will write implementation. So here every time just to give comma, comma, comma. That's it. And here on create method is there. How they have overridden? Override function on create. So here on create method is there. How they have overridden? Override protected void on create. So very narrow kind of thing. Here super dot on create same, set content view is same. Super dot on create same, set content. Just how you are calling your method as well as class invocations are some kind of difference is there. That's it. So in Kotlin, calling Java, calling a class, okay, inheritance interface, this is different. In Java, it is different. That is only the basic thing. but remaining everything is same. Let me show you. If saved instance state is null, you have this logic, okay? Or else let me do one thing. On option item selected is there, okay? This logic you will try to check here. Try to find this. This they have added somewhere. Add flower in that set result activity. What they are doing, they are adding a result intent. So this result intent where they are taking, so they are finishing. It's a private method. So here add flower they are doing. So this result intent we have to search here. Just to some difference. Okay, flower list. Here they are going. Flower adapter, flower list activity. And then here, this is our activity. Okay, an activity result. You got some extra. See, override function, but request code, new flower activity, intent data, all these things are similar. So variable declaration, how they are doing, value flower name, value flower description, data dot get string, data dot gets, all these things are saved. Okay, once you start learn coding, automatically you will get to know what is the difference between this and this. Okay, so let me make you understand. Okay, I hope for today you got some knowledge on this. So try to install Android environment setup with Java as well as Android Studio. Okay, so once it is ready, from tomorrow I am going to start. The first concept in our Android is learning Android architecture. After that, I will discuss about how to create a project in Android Studio. When you create a project, you will get lot of folders in the project. What is the use of each project folder? Okay, that we'll discuss. Those two are theory. After that, directly we will enter into creating applications and then do result. So one theory class is pending tomorrow. Okay, which is Android project directory. Second one, Android architecture. These two things we would like to know. So Android architecture 15 minutes, project directory not even 15 minutes. We'll start going further with the programming. Okay. So I hope you understand. So any queries for today? If you have any queries, please let me know. Try to download the things. Okay, Durgasoft will share. I will ask that person to share all the materials with. So actually, for these things, recordings and whatever the class notes will be there, na, that Durgasoft only will share. My job is only to discuss technical stuff with you. Okay, so I will ask madam to contact with you. Okay, right. So any other queries related to technical? If you are really interested, you can join from tomorrow. No problem. We can start discussing. We'll have. So this is not my first class. Already I am dealing 9 p.m. batch. So we have 4 members over there. We almost completed 75% of course. Okay, no problem. It's not first time to explain me. I have dealt so many batches. No problem. So hope you understand. You will definitely get some knowledge on Android. Okay. So it's a real-time knowledge, not a normal thing. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any technical queries, we can leave. No problem. I hope any Sai Krishna is already there. Raghu, you are the first person, or already you we have connected on Friday. I guess, right? Friday. This is your first class, Raghu? Okay. So I need your information, like your mail ID and contact number, so that I will share it with
Yeah,
Durga sir.
yes. Already provided, sir. Already provided mail ID, phone number.
Okay, they have.
Yeah, you already share with them also on Friday.
Okay. I mean, acha, acha, you connected on Friday itself. Okay, okay then. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay. So rest of the details, Durgasoft will call and explain you. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Thanks for.